Christmas trees stand tall, decorated with tinsel and baubles. Catch your reflection in all the dazzling shimmer and sparkle. Joy and happiness is part of the parcel. Before we get into this video, I'd just like to say this is part of a challenge hosted by Heidi and Natalie. The links to their channels will be in the description box along with a playlist. Get your glue guns on, get them heated up, and let's get started. We're going to be making some really easy but beautiful tree ornaments, and they're going to be in the rustic, natural kind of style. So the first thing that I'm starting off with is a branch. I'm going to try and get the straightest part possible, so just snap it off. You're going to want a base first. We're going to be making a tree, so cut off another piece, and you're going to start from the largest, going down in size. Once you have it all ready, all you have to simply do is glue them together with some hot glue. And as easy and quick as that, we almost have our first one complete. You're just going to take some twine and cut a little bit off at the back so that you can hang it on the tree. And you can leave it like that, or you can spray it with some snow spray. You can even cut off little pearls or beaded garlands and stick them down. I've got this wooden embellishment star, so I'm going to just colour it in with a bronze Sharpie pen. And then I'm going to just place that on top and hot glue that on. Here's a quick look at our first tree ornament. Again, like I said, these are going to be really quick, easy and simple. So let's move on to the second. And for the next one, I'm also going to be using a branch. This time we're going to be making a star. So again, you're going to start by cutting off little bits, and you want to get them the same size. So I've cut off 6 branches, and all you're going to do is hot glue them together. And now I'm going to take some copper wire and wrap it around. I'm just going to cut the back part, and then all you have to do, you can secure it with some hot glue, or you can just wrap it around. And then again, we're going to take some twine, cut it off, hot glue it to the back, just so that you can have something to hang on to your tree with. Here's a quick look at the second ornament that we've just created. And now let's move on to the next. For the next one, you're going to take an old bauble. I'm going to choose this gold one, so I'm just going to cut it off here. Now you can get moss in different colours, so you can get them in green, in the neutral colour here, or you can get them in like a purpley colour. So you can choose whatever colour you like, and then we're just going to stick this to the bauble. So once you're done, you can give it a trim. You want to just get it as smooth as possible so that it actually looks like a bauble. I'm going to take this little bow and just hot glue it there. I think that looks really cute. And then you're going to thread some twine in, just so again you can hang it on your tree. And here's a quick look at our third ornament. This is personally my favourite. The next idea is really simple. You know how you get these potpourri boxes and they have these rattan balls in. So I've got one in brown, and all I've done is take my brown moss and filled that inside. And then again, I'm just going to take some twine, cut some off and slip it through this ball so that we can hang it. A quick look at our little fourth ornament that we've just completed. And don't worry if you think it looks a little lost right now, when it's with the rest it really does go well. For the next DIY, you're going to be using twine to cover a bauble. So here I've got some Pritt stick or a glue stick. Then you need to just cover the whole bauble with that. once you've done that, just take your twine and stick it on your bauble. And once you've finished wrapping it around, just take the last piece and hot glue it down. Because this is silver, I'm just going to colour it in with the same Sharpie that I used earlier. And here's the last and final ornament for today's video. And now I'm going to show you all of them together because they look so beautiful in a group. And here are all 5 rustic natural ornaments. I hope that this has inspired you just to have a look around at what you may have already. It just shows you don't need to spend much to create something beautiful. And sometimes less is more. These natural rustic looks work so well for Christmas. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me a thumbs up if you have. I'd also love to know which one of these were your favourite. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.